Hello, sir. Hello, ma. Hello, sister. How are you? Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tutumo. You can call me Tutu. I am 30 years old. My date of birth is 30 October 1995. I am single. I am Buddhist. My weight is 45 kg. My height is 150 cm. I am high school. I have 7 families. They are my father, my mother, 2 brothers, and 2 sisters. I am number 1. We live in Mogo. I had 2 years working experience in Myanmar. Haba take care uncle. He is 87 years old. My employer have 4 people, uncle and ma. Summer I take care uncle had to shower. Take clothes, give measure, blood pressure, give food and give medicine. How to do exercise. I can do all the housework. I can do cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing. I can go Myanmar food and simple Chinese food. I can go fried rice, noodle, mihon, chicken curry, pork curry, fried vegetable and steamed fish, chicken sauce, ABC sauce. I can go porridge. I can speak English and Chinese. I am ready to go Singapore. I want to go to work Singapore because I need to earn money. Support my parents for my life future. If can you give me, can do what you are family. I'm trying to best. Thank you for listening. My introduction. Bye bye.